everyone, and welcome to my first morning in my new home. It is very bleak. There is nothing like around me other than fields, and it's not the nicest of mornings. It's very grey. It is 7:38 AM now, and I wouldn't have got up this early on my first day here. I can't even talk. I wouldn't have got up this early on my first morning here, but I have got Empowered by Vee today. I'm pretty much ready to go today. Really excited about it. Also really nervous. Mostly because of the technical stuff, because like it relies on Wi-Fi. We aren't starting until 11:45 for my slot, but before then I do have to have like a little meeting with Manny, just because I'm doing my talk with him, just so we can really finalise exactly how it's gonna go, and then it's showtime.
What's there to say? There's nothing but space in between you and I. It's okay that we change, but it feels kinda strange that you're not in my life. You're the only one that saves me when I'm alone. You're the only love that I've ever known. But we turn into a flower that never grows. I was hiding like the moonlight that never shows. I should've told you that I loved you one more time.
Oh my god, that is amazing. I've never tried one of these before. I couldn't decide what drink to make either, so I do actually have a lemon green tea as well as my iced latte. I mean, without the ice. I just don't really like hot coffee. The donkey's out! The donkey's out! The donkey's out! Well, he was out. Don't know where it's gone now. Oh. I've got half an hour before my meeting with Manny, and in that time I basically need to check my emails from Cranfield and plan my sort of academic work for the next few days, because there's now stuff that they're suggesting for us to do before we start each individual course, and there's a lot. There's a lot, and I want to do this properly, you know? I want to get it right. I don't want to be lagging behind. As you can probably tell, I've got a cold. You can also tell from my face it's gone really pink. I've just taken some allergy stuff, because it could also be that.
Baby, 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 you driving me wild, you driving me so crazy. Got me acting out, got me tryna stay sober. Wanted your love and I'm out here hungover. You made me wanna take you to London, Paris. Times were cherished. No comparing to you. Keisha, Karen, Megan, Sharon.
Right, I'm gonna call Manny now and get this Empowered by Vee show on the road. My practice with Manny is done, so I'm gonna sort out my room a little bit, do a little bit of tidying, because I want to keep it tidy all year, and I'm gonna start as I mean to go on.
Wow, the land of make-believe.
It is go time, everyone. I'm about to join the webinar now. I think I've just been sent a new link to join. My phone is going crazy, and I'm just gonna make sure my webcam is facing the right way, because I didn't really want my toaster and pans and everything in the background. Make sure my hair looks good. Okay, let's go.
That they need to transition from school to. And at this conference, London. But then I think it came out when you want to like.
Oh, I just ran my chair over my phone.
The thing that we're going to be talking about is that there are these sort of four main key ideas that you need to keep in mind when you're looking at personal statement. Yay, Rosie's here!
Finally.
I was saying that.
I didn't know what happened.
No worries at all. This is actually one of the slides that you were covering. Do you want to...
You finished it, I don't know what you're up to.
Okay, sure, no worries.
It's a syndicate at night, blasting playpen in the daytime. Goosebumps rise at 9.
Oh, we're done. That was, I'm not gonna lie, that was hard work because my Wi-Fi kept cutting out. But there's not a lot I can do about that because I don't know anyone else here. So I can't like message people and be like, can you get off the Wi-Fi? Because we all live in different studio flats and I've never met anyone else who lives here. I was about to open my window, but now, having seen this, I'm not so sure that that's what I want to do. No, I'm gonna have to open it because I'm cooking sausages and they're a bit smoky, so... Fingers crossed it stays on the outside. As this is my first time cooking anything in this room, it might go wrong, but I think I've sussed it. Oh yeah, that is getting warm. Did you hear my stomach? Oh, I'll just use normal bread. Let's have burgers. No, I've never tried these before. They're brand new. Ugh.
Talented, brilliant, incredible.
It's these. I've never had them before, but they look delicious.
Since I was a kid, needed help with this. Puddle so big, I can Michael Phelps in this. Don't splash my wrist, I flash this shit. I ain't lying on them like some shitty ass mattresses, yeah. All I wanted was to rage. Seeing no sun, straight face, just shade.
This is what I've come up with. I've got my burgers with a little bit of dairy-free cheese and I'm gonna attempt to eat it on like flatbread instead of a bun.
Oh, that always gotta at me and it's all facts. No, they can't drop gold like me. Copies be all I see to the game. I be on my knees, I find my peace. Taking shots to my head deceased. Know that my mind gotta learn how to get out the way. You gotta wait. I spray the beat like I'm using a mace. It's hard to refrain. This sounds getting old, so I call it a stain. I'll spit the same, eh? It's all about the frame, eh? We go the same way. Getting some bank, eh? No shark in the tank, eh?
Hello, it is like 3 o'clock now. Later than that, 20 past 3. I'm about to start some stats or maths or chemistry lecture. I haven't actually decided which one yet. I have actually just been doing a little bit of editing of my moving blog because my brain was tired from doing Empowered by Vee and I wanted to do something creative, so I haven't done any uni work yet. It's actually nearly 5 p.m. now. I know I was meant to be properly filming my afternoon, but the last hour has been spent chatting with my new housemates. I had a knock at the door and one of the girls who was living downstairs was there to introduce herself and say hello. She actually set the fire alarm off earlier, so she was also apologising for that. It was so loud. And then I met my next door neighbour and the girl opposite me called Ali, who is also on my course, who, if she doesn't mind being in the vlogs, you may meet because she'll be on my course and I'll probably be walking to uni with her when we do have to go in. I'm gonna get back on with my uni work now. I was doing some chemistry, doing atomic mass and atomic numbers and protons and neutrons, which I did do at GCSE and I remember mostly, and I think I'm doing it right. But it's like a workbook, so we've got to get through 20 sections of this workbook and they all have answers, so I'm going to check my answers and hope I've got it right, otherwise that's a bit embarrassing, although I haven't done chemistry since I was 15, so It has been 7 years. After I finish this bit of the workbook, I'm actually gonna do some more unpacking of my room because I've got so many things still in boxes and I don't like that. And I'd rather unpack stuff that needs to be unpacked, like my stationery. Right guys, I'm gonna mark my paper, my like activity. I had to do chapter 1 today and I'm going to mark it. I think I understood, but I can't say I'm particularly optimistic, I'm not gonna lie. Let's have a go. I'll get my green pen out like we're at school. Right, that is my chemistry done. I did much better than I expected, I'm not gonna lie. I made some mistakes with working out the charges of the elements, which I don't even remember doing at GCSE, if I'm being honest. But I got all of this bottom bit correct, so I'm quite happy with that. So that's like task 1 of chemistry. I've got 19 more to do and I meant to do those before I start my course or before the end of the introductory week. The introductory week ends on the 9th of October, so I've got time. It's the 27th of September today. I'm feeling quite positive about that, you know? I'm actually really happy with myself. I think I'm gonna go and make tea now because it is 6 PM and I'm gonna charge my camera whilst I have tea and then join you afterwards, I think. Look at that golden hour glow. The sun has finally come out right when it's about to go down. Typical. But it is very pretty. Can't lie guys, this is my dinner tonight. We've got delicacy that is a sticky rib pot noodle, actually vegetarian, no ribs in there. And we have a lemon green tea again. And that is my chemistry that I am not doing anymore because my brain is dead. I think I'm gonna watch more of Ratched on Netflix whilst I eat this.
1 hour later.
I've got this box to unpack. This is full of stationery. I haven't unpacked my microphone yet, so if the sound's a bit dodgy, sorry, I've just realised that I haven't been using my microphone all day.
I'm worried about the way I've been living. I'm worried that you'll look at me different. I'm worried that this will all change. I'm worried about keeping you safe.
Okay, I don't know who has written this on my to-do list from my 2nd year of uni, but it says, enter the shadow realm in order to acquire mayonnaise. Now, as you can probably imagine, I did not write that myself. I don't know who has written that. It looks like my brother's handwriting, so I'm gonna say it probably is. That actually didn't take anywhere near as long as I thought it would, so I'm gonna do some editing. I didn't want to do any proper decorating because I want that to be in a whole separate video, and also it's 8 PM. Do I really want to decorate now? No, but I have got to edit, so that's what I'm gonna get up to, you know?
I'm worried that I'm not that lucky. I'm worried that they never gon' love me. I'm worried that I'll be a fucking joke.
I'm well on my way through this video and really enjoying it. I'm not enjoying how I look in this light though. Yeah, I'm like 3 minutes through editing it and I've been doing it for an hour and a half. That is how long this process takes. It takes ages. I think I'm gonna stop in a minute though and watch some TV before bed. Like get ready for bed and have an early-ish night because I know my brain is tired. I don't have anything particularly to wake up for tomorrow, but I've got a lot of this like chemistry and math stuff to get done, and I also want to properly make over my room tomorrow. I have actually decided to just stop now and watch TV. This is actually my family TV. We've just got a new one in our house and this one is our old one. So it's actually like probably 10 years old and the sound was starting to go and stuff, so I've just connected it to my HDMI and yeah, it's good to go.
Went on his boat.
It's a syndicate at night, blasting playpen in the daytime. Goosebumps rise at 9 and settle back down at sunrise.
It's 11 o'clock. I'm gonna go to sleep. I was gonna read, and maybe I will for like 10 minutes, but I am tired and I just want to go to bed. I normally do an outro before I get in bed, but if I'm being honest, I forgot that I was meant to be filming this video. Got in bed and then panicked, and here we are. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I am currently blinding myself, so I hope it was worth it for you. If you did enjoy, then give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't already, and you fancy watching some forensics masters vlogs and stuff. Right, I'm gonna go to bed, so I'll see you in my next video. Bye!